Well, hello everyone and welcome to this guide on how to get stock footage without paying per clip. Stock footage is insanely expensive. If you've ever gone to a site like Shutterstock to find a quick 10-second clip, you've seen the price tag, about $69 for a single video. On Getty Images, that same type of shot could cost you about $500. For most creators, that's just not sustainable. But what if you could download unlimited high-end footage, including 8K resolution, for about $1 a day? Well, today I'll be showing you exactly how to stop overpaying and start building a library of unlimited cinematic assets. Now let's look at the reality of the market right now. If you search for something basic like city aerial and look at the pricing, it's $69 for a single 4K clip. If you buy a pack of 5, you're still looking at nearly $300. Adobe isn't much better. Their standard plan is about $30 a month, but that only gets you one single video. And then there's Getty, where a high-end shot can cost anywhere from $175 to over $500. If you're making videos regularly, say one YouTube video a week, and you use just 10 stock clips per video, you could easily spend $500 to $1,000 per video. For most of us, that's more than the video will make in AdSense. The pay-per-clip model is officially dead for independent creators. And this is where Artlist changes the game. Let's jump into the footage section. Unlike the sites we just looked at, this isn't a marketplace where you pay every time you click download. It's an all-you-can-eat library. You can search by theme, shot type, or even specific camera movements. But what's really impressive is the resolution. While most sites charge a massive premium for 4K or 8K, Artlist includes it. Look at the quality of these shots. You've got everything from high-end lifestyle footage to stunning 8K drone shots. For about $40 a month, you get relatively greater range of downloads. And for the professional filmmakers and colorists watching, they even offer an add-on for raw and log footage, giving you maximum flexibility in the edit suites to color grade your footage to match your specific look. But it's not just raw video. When you have a footage plan, you also get access to the templates section. If you've ever wondered how YouTubers get those slick lower third, cinematic intros, or smooth transitions, this is how. Artlist provides professional templates for Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. So instead of spending hours keyframing a title, you just download a template, drop it in your timeline, and change the text. It's a massive time saver that's included in your subscription, which adds even more value to that monthly cost. Let's do some quick math to put this into perspective. If you download just 10 clips a month on a standard site like Shutterstock, you're paying at least $525. On Artlist, you pay roughly $40 with much more. That's several times cheaper at a minimum. Plus, most competitors cap your resolution at 4K unless you pay a premium tier. Here, you're getting 8K assets that are future-proofed for years to come. In conclusion, for a growing channel, the pay-per-clip model can be a bit restrictive. Having an unlimited library at your fingertips is a much more sustainable way to keep your production quality high as you scale. I've put a link to Artlist in the description below, so if you want to sign up through that link, you get 2 extra months of free on the annual plan. It's a total no-brainer for anyone running a YouTube channel or production business. So do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.